Hey, what's going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and we are looking at our very first official leak of the Samsung Galaxy S10, or should I say S10 Plus. Our trusted leaker, Ice Universe, says this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. It is suspected that Samsung employees leaked. This is the S10 Plus with a protective case. Are you satisfied? Now, honestly, I think it looks pretty good. Now, I know it has a case on it, but I'm sure with the case off, it is going to be a pretty bezel-less device. We do see the pill hole up top for the two cameras. And honestly, I really don't think it looks that bad. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it was. So this is our very first look at someone having the time of their life with this phone, looking at some memes or something like that, just using the phone for fun, and it must be pretty nice. But yes, this is our very first look at this phone. We do know that the phone is going to be, we're going to have a 6.4 version with a 4,000 milliamp battery, 6.1 inch version with a 3,500 milliamp battery, and a 5.8 inch version with a 3,100 milliamp battery. Ice Universe also says the Galaxy S10 Plus has a 7.8 millimeter thick body and a 4,000 milliamp battery. Now that is insane. That means it's going to be even thinner than the Galaxy S9 Plus, but still have a big battery. Now that is insane. Now he also says, correct two misunderstandings. The Galaxy S10 is also 3 camera, not 2 camera. The evidence is their protective shell. The S10 and S10 Plus have the same size camera area. So yes, the both regular S10 and S10 Plus are both going to have 3 cameras in the back. Now, there was also a post from a case maker called Armadillo Tech, who says, we have tested our cases on real Galaxy S10 phones. The in-screen fingerprint does not support screen protector, so our Vanguard will have no built-in screen protector. So yes, they are making cases, but they are not going to be putting screen protectors on them because of this fact that the fingerprint sensor will not work with screen protectors. I don't know. What do you guys think? We do know that they are going to have an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor in the phone, but if it's not going to be working with screen protectors, are you going to be putting a screen protector on yours if you do plan to purchase this device? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. We do know it's going to be unveiled on February 20th in San Francisco. I cannot wait. I am really hoping to get an invite to that. I really do want to go. I got to go to the one in New York for the Note 9, and I had a great time over there. So I really want to go to this Unpacked event. Maybe you guys can help me out and just go spam Twitter. Go tweet at Samsung saying, invite Josh Quinones. Go follow me on Twitter. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this leaked hands-on photo. Do you really think this is going to be a beautiful device? Let me know down in the comments sections below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up on this video, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.